हाय ऑल, वेलकम टू इंडिया टीवी। मैं हूं शाश्वत भंडारी। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका वैसे तो ये दुनिया की सबसे पुरानी डेमोक्रेसी है, लेकिन यूएस प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन 2020 और उसके रिज़ल्ट को लेके इसका इलेक्शन प्रोसेस पूरी दुनिया के सामने एक्सपोज हो चुका है। क्योंकि नवंबर में हुए प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शंस के 2 महीने बाद भी आज तक वहाँ के लोग इस बात पे श्योर नहीं थे कि उनका अगला प्रेसिडेंट जो बिडेन होगा या डोनाल्ड ट्रंप होंगे। ये हालात तब हैं जब जो बिडेन ऑलमोस्ट सभी एजेंसीज रिजल्ट्स के बाद, हर स्टेट के वोट काउंट के बाद ये तय हो गया था कि यही वहाँ के अगले प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट हैं। इसी बीच प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप इलेक्शन के दौरान, रिज़ल्ट वोट काउंट के दौरान कई बार अपने सपोर्टर्स को बार बार ये बात कहते हुए सुना है कि इलेक्शन में फ्रॉड हो रहा है, डेमोक्रेट्स इलेक्शन में फ्रॉड कर रहे हैं, वोट काउंट में धांधलेबाजी हो रही है। प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप ने अपने सपोर्टर्स को काफ़ी उकसाया। इसी का नतीजा था कि बुधवार को, यानी कि कल वेडनेसडे, अमेरिका ने कुछ ऐसा देखा जिसकी प्रतिक्रिया उसके डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम के ऊपर दुनिया का हर वो लीडर बात कर रहा है। आइए देखते हैं ये रिपोर्ट।
On the day when US Congress was meeting to certify Joe Biden as the next US president, Trump supporters attempted something Americans will never ever forget. It happened just hours after Trump delivered a speech at the White House and urged supporters to march to the Capitol Hill. It was after this supporters began their march towards the Capitol Hill when a sea of supporters began marching towards the house, conflicting with understaffed security officials. The violent mob loyal to President Trump stormed the US Capitol in a stunning attempt to overturn America's presidential election, undercut the nation's democracy, and keep Trump in the White House. As per reports, at least 4 people were dead in result of shots fired by cops in order to protect members of the House, lawmakers who were at that time involved in Biden's certification process. The protesters created a ruckus, damaged assets in the building amid slogans like "Stop the Steal," "This is our house, our country." However, almost 4 hours after a siege attempt, security forces were able to declare Capitol Hill a secure place, while several protesters were also arrested. Before dawn Thursday, lawmakers finished their work confirming Biden won the election. Vice President Mike Pence, presiding over the joint session, announced the tally 306 by 232. That means Democrats got 306 electoral votes while Trump side got 232. Vice President Mike Pence, presiding over the joint session, announced the tally 306 by 232, which means that Joe Biden won the election by 306 votes against Trump's 232. Trump, who had repeatedly refused to concede the election, said in a statement immediately after the vote count that there will be a smooth transition of power on Inauguration Day, but adding that he totally disagreed with the outcome. The Capitol was under siege as the nation's elected representatives scrambled to crouch under desks, one of the most jarring scenes ever to unfold in a seat of American political power. Though the efforts to block Biden from being sworn in on January 22 were sure to fail, the support Trump has received for his efforts to overturn the election results have badly strained the nation's democratic guardrails. Pence reopened the Senate and directly addressed the demonstrators, "You did not win." Meanwhile, Democratic House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said, "Congress will show the world what America is made of with the outcome." While the protests were on, Trump, in a pair of tweets, asked his supporters that it was time to go home in peace, yet he still said he backed their cause. Meanwhile, President-elect Joe Biden on this entire episode said, "American democracy was under unprecedented assault," a sentiment that was echoed by many in Congress, including some Republicans.
इस सारे एपिसोड के बाद जो बिडेन जो कि अमेरिका के अगले प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट हैं और जिनकी इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी में अब लगभग सिर्फ 2 हफ्तों का समय बचा है, इन्होंने कांग्रेस के बाकी मेंबर्स ने, डेमोक्रेट्स ने, यहाँ तक कि काफ़ी रिपब्लिकन्स ने ये बात कही और इस बात को माना कि वेडनेसडे को कैपिटल हिल पर सीज का अटेम्प्ट एक अनप्रेसिडेंटेड असॉल्ट था। कैपिटल हिल वैसे तो प्रोटेस्ट और वायलेंस के इंसिडेंट से सदियों से जाना जाता रहा है, लेकिन वेडनेसडे को जो हुआ वो शायद ही अमेरिकी कभी भुला पाएंगे। इंडिया टीवी के लिए शाश्वत भंडारी रिपोर्ट।